Today, I'm going to tell you about the engineering department of Madhyanchal Professional University. Let's go! Our engineering department is built around one principle: preparing students to lead in a rapidly evolving world. With cutting-edge facilities, real-world projects, and hands-on learning, students are equipped to take on complex engineering challenges.
Of engineering programs like mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, computer science engineering, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. In our university, we are focusing on student growth with theoretical and practical approach. And our university have lot of collaboration with different industries. We are provided good campus selection for students. And we have lot of engineering labs in which students gain lot of knowledge.
Whether you're designing the next big innovation in technology or building infrastructure that shapes the future, our engineering department offers the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step toward your engineering career. Thank you. Enroll today and be a part of the future of engineering.